56.7 kilometers bike ride. Have you tried using Singapore Park connector to 4 reservoirs? Welcome to Tay Sang T YouTube channel.
Hello. Okay, so going for my first long distance ride. Time now is 5:30 in the morning. About lights. Wow, cannot handle brake.
Cannot handle brake.
What's up? Okay, I just follow only. I first timer. Wonderful.
Say what's up.
What's up?
Okay, good morning guys. Alright, we are along Kallang, heading towards Piers. So, ride safe today. Okay, here we are at Potong Pasir. The park connectors in Singapore, it's really well built, right? But of course, do take note that sharing the tracks with runners, sometimes with some folks walking around as well. So do take note of them. We just crossed the bridge and we're riding along the canal. That's my friend.
Say what's up.
Hello, what's up? What's up, man? Grandma, go, go. Chill. Nice ride.
First stop, Lower Pierce Reservoir.
Okay, this is the first reservoir. We're supposed to hit 4 reservoirs.
4 reservoir today. Woohoo!
Lower, upper, Pierce, lower, upper, Singapore.
It's a very cool morning, very nice to ride. Everyone is out here having a nice stroll.
Let's take a Wi-Fi. And a quick introduction. This is Chan, Chris, Leslie, Jeff, and Tay Sang T. Second stop. Check out the beautiful sunrise.
Okay guys, we have arrived at the Piers Reservoir. Take a look at this place. Very clean, very calm. Thank goodness we have a good reservoir of water to sustain us. Well, you can actually drive in. There's a car park here. Just park there, just walk down.
Or you may get yourself a bike. 20-inch 9-speed Prius Velocity Foldable.
All the way up.
Now look up and see if you can spot the monkey.
We're gonna head up slope. Oh, look at the slope. It's time to shift gears.
Upper Thompson Road. Third stop, Upper Seletar Reservoir.
Look at this. Look at him riding backwards. Wonderful. Go. Another 50 meters.
Ever wonder how to take nice photograph? This is how a cyclist take picture. Do a half squat like you cycling. But without a bicycle, look a bit like taking a poop. Same pattern. Wi-Fi time. Chin up and tuck in tummy.
Human Frag Challenge.
Toilet is over here. No. Toilet is over there. No need. It's too late now. Final stop. Lower Seletar Reservoir. Do you know? There are total 17 reservoirs in Singapore. Macritchie Reservoir the oldest, followed by Bedok Reservoir. Lower Pierce Reservoir is third. Lower Seletar Reservoir is fourth oldest. If don't know, now you know. Mission accomplished. Had roti prata for breakfast and take a train back. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, do consider to subscribe to Taesangti YouTube channel and catch his regular video upload. Stay safe and have a healthy lifestyle. We will see you in the next video soon.